Hey everyone, it is me, a maker my diecast. Today we are reviewing these 5 Hot Wheels cars. Let's review this turquoise and black stripe with gold wheels Datsun 620. With front, we have gray grille, passenger side with 72, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S14, that's the code. Let's review this Nissan Fairlady Z with orange and black stripe. With front, we have no detail, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S14, that's the code. Let's review this Nissan Silvia S13 with white, blue, and red stripe. With front, we have no detail, passenger side with Japanese stuff, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S30, that's the code. Let's review this Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32 with red and black stripe. With front, we have no detail, passenger side with gray wheels, rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. The code says S14, that's the code. Let's review this Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX with purple and gray stripe with white wheels. With front, we have no detail, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S14, that's the code. Okay, thanks for watching and I will see you again in next diecast video.